In Baymard's large-scale UX testing, size availability was shown to be a crucial factor in determining whether users purchase an item or not. Let's explore how placing and displaying your size filter can prevent potential frustration and improve the shopping experience. Hi, I'm Christian Holst, co-founder of Baymard Institute, and today I'm presenting guideline number 2455 of Baymard's large-scale usability test findings. If providing sidebar filtering, position the size filter near the top and expand it by default. When the size filter is buried or collapsed, users end up browsing and evaluating products that aren't available in their size. Not only did this waste time and lead to frustration during testing, but in some cases it led to site abandonment altogether. During Baymard's large-scale usability testing, 39% of users had to start their product search over after finding out on the product page that an item they were interested in wasn't available in their size. To encourage users to filter by size at the start of their product browsing journey, position the size filter at or near the top of the sidebar and expand it by default. During our testing, users consistently gravitated to size filters that were both visible by default as well as clearly visible in the viewport. The presentation, like we see in this example from Levi's, prompted 90% of users during testing to select the size filters as the first action they took before browsing. To ensure the maximum visibility of size filters, consider using size filter buttons and presenting them as a grid. The compact nature of a grid ensures that more sizes are visible at a glance within the viewport, increasing the odds that users spot their size when they arrive on the product list. These were some of the highlights from our research findings. We have much more detailed information on optimizing your filtering interface, including over 80 product list and filtering guidelines in our research catalog. Go to baymard.com/research to learn more.